Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So this is my first video on this channel. On this channel, I'll be showing you some excellent indicator strategies for Forex, crypto and stocks. So the first indicator which I'll be sharing today is based on the Jogam superscript or the Jogam triple EMA and something known as the Super Bollinger Trend. So it is something based on the super trend but has different calculations. So the first indicator is Super Bollinger Trend Expo by Xiamen. The second indicator is Jogam Triple EMA Strat, and the third indicator is exponential moving average, the 200 period moving average. So this is the Jogam Triple EMA Strat. So just give it a minute. Okay. So as you can see, this indicator provides us really good, really good signals on the basis of the flip of the trend ribbon. And this is the super Bollinger trend. So it gives a signal just like the super trend, but it has a much better range. Then thirdly is the 200 period moving average just to filter out the false signals. As you can see, the signals which we'll be taking over here are the buy signals only because the price is moving above the 200 period moving average. And whenever the price moves below the 200 period moving average, we'll be taking only the sell signals. So as you can see, this is an example on the 5 minute time frame. So again, I would like to suggest you guys to use only the 5 and the 15-minute time frame, or you can go higher. But I would suggest you, whatever time frame you'll be trading on, start with the 5 minute time frame. Do not go on the 1 and the 3 minute time frame because the signals which you'll be getting on the 1 and the 3 minute time frame will be a lot, and the quality of the signals will decrease a lot because the signals will be very frequent and you guys will have a sort of a FOMO like to get into the trades. So it is much better to wait for the wait for the right time for the right signal, for example 5 minute time frame, so you can achieve a much better, a much better result rather than the signals which will be achieved through the 1 and the 3 minute time frame. And a few tips which I would like to give you guys is that uh, please do some homework and please learn about price action. Basic support and resistances are very important because without them you would not know where to keep your targets. Without them you would not know like if you should take the signal or not. Like these indicators do work, but it is not 100% bulletproof system. But these indicators are just there to help us in our trading. So do not rely on these indicators completely. Combine them with price action, and you will surely see that your indicator will perform much better. Basically, your strategy will perform much better, and you will see the results in your portfolio. And then, one more thing that whenever you take a buy trade, do not keep the stop loss very tight. Keep the stop loss at the recent swing point. I'll show you, for example, over here. As you can see, we got a buy signal over here. So try to keep your stop loss. Like for example, you get a buy signal over here, keep your stop loss over here and go for a 1 is to 1.5 or 1 is to 2 risk to reward ratio. By this, you will be having a much better profitability. 1 is to 2. Okay. 1 is to 2. So as you can see, we are getting 21.2 pips, which is much better. So this is something I would like to tell you. So for a buy signal, you should keep your stop loss at the recent swing low, and for a sell signal, you should keep your stop loss at the recent swing high. And combine this with price action like basic support and resistance. There are many indicators on the market on the indicator section, but the thing is that I know most of you do not have a premium subscription of TradingView, so you can draw the indicators by yourself, draw these lines by yourself. I'm really sorry. Draw these lines by yourself, so it would be much better for you. And I would like to suggest you to keep a very strict risk to reward ratio. If you go above 1 is to 1.5 or 1 is to 2, so the profitability will decrease and you might end up, losing a winning trade. So keep your risk to reward ratio in a very fixed position so that your profitability increases. And so if you like this content, please like the video, and I'll be bringing you much more videos, much more indicator strategies. So please do subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. And please do support me on this channel. And I'll be bringing a lot of things for you guys, so which will help you upgrade your trading game. So Let's meet on the next one.